What's the meaning of bouzouki? Bouzouki. Bouzouki.
Bouzouki. Bouzouki. The bouzouki is a stringed instrument commonly used in Greek music. It is a long-necked lute with a pear-shaped body and typically has 3 or 4 sets of paired strings. The instrument is often played with a plectrum and can produce a wide range of sounds, from delicate and melodic to fast-paced and energetic. The bouzouki has become a symbol of Greek culture and is frequently featured in traditional folk music as well as modern pop and rock. Its unique timbre and versatility have made it a popular instrument not only in Greece but also around the world.